Bienvenidos amigos, welcome to the Capitales del Mundo Hispano Quiz Show. Hola amigos, welcome to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. Today, I have an exciting quiz game for all of you, where we are jet-setting across the Spanish-speaking world. Buckle up, because it's time to explore, guess, and perhaps even being crowned the capital city champion. Let's dive in. ¡Vámonos! What's the capital city of Peru? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital del Perú? 1. Asunción. 2. San Juan. 3. Lima. What's the capital city of Peru? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital del Perú? 1. Asunción. 2. San Juan. 3. Lima. And the answer is Lima. Did you know that the Spanish conquistadores originally named Lima Ciudad de los Reyes, which means City of Kings? The oldest university in the Americas is also in Lima, the National University of San Marcos, founded on May 12, 1551. It predates Harvard University by nearly a century. What's the capital city of Argentina? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Argentina? 1. Montevideo. 2. Buenos Aires. 3. Caracas. ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Argentina? Número 2. Buenos Aires. Did you know that Buenos Aires is the birthplace of tango? Tango was born in Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires is also the city of many books because it has more bookstores per capita than any other city in the world. And Avenida 9 de Julio, seen here, is known as the world's widest avenue. It has up to 14 lanes and is flanked by impressive buildings and monuments, including the iconic Obelisco de Buenos Aires, the Obelisk. What's the capital city of Bolivia? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Bolivia? 1. Santiago. 2. La Paz y Sucre. 3. La Paz. Do you know what's the capital city of Bolivia? ¿Sabes cuál es la ciudad capital de Bolivia? Opción 1, 2 o 3. Which one? The correct answer is number 2, número 2. Bolivia has a unique situation with its capital cities. The official constitutional capital is Sucre, where the country's Supreme Court is located. However, La Paz is the seat of the government and the executive and legislative branches. Therefore, Bolivia is often said to have two capitals, Sucre as the constitutional capital and La Paz as the seat of government. Let's travel now to Central America. What's the capital city of El Salvador? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de El Salvador? 1. Tegucigalpa. 2. San José. O 3. San Salvador. The answer, la respuesta es San Salvador. San Salvador is the capital city of El Salvador. The city is surrounded by beautiful green mountains, but did you know there's also a huge volcano called San Salvador just outside the city? And by the way, if you like this video, don't forget to check my other quizzes. Subscribe to my channel, I upload videos every week. Now, let's travel to South America. What's the capital city of Chile? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Chile? 1. Valparaíso. 2. San Juan. O 3. Santiago. Do you know the answer? And the answer is Santiago. Santiago is without a doubt a city of contrast. Santiago is a city that visually represents its rich past, mixed with rapid modernization. Modern buildings, besides antique colonial buildings. Santiago lies next to the majestic Andes Mountains. mountains which stand tall, creating one of the world's most stunning backdrops. It's like Mother Nature herself decided to show off, framing Santiago with peaks that reach for the skies, draping in snow or basking in the sun, depending on the time of the year. This isn't just a view, it's a masterpiece that changes daily, from the rosy hues of dawn to the fiery colors of sunset. What's the capital city of Panama? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Panamá? 1. Quito. 2. Ciudad de Panamá. 3. Bogotá. What's the answer? ¿Cuál es la respuesta? 1, 2 o 3. The answer is Ciudad de Panamá. Ciudad de Panamá is the capital city of Panama. Did you know that Panama City stands out as the only capital city in the world that has a rainforest within its city limits? What's the capital city of Equatorial Guinea? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Guinea Ecuatorial? 1. Malabo. 2. Nairobi. 3. Casablanca. Do you know what's the capital city of this former Spanish colony? Malabo, Nairobi, or Casablanca? The answer is Malabo. And Malabo is not located on the mainland. Did you know that Malabo is actually on the rim of a sunken volcano? Malabo is one of the wettest and lightning-prone capitals in the world. The city is often enveloped in fog, adding to its mystique. What's the capital city of Costa Rica? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Costa Rica? 1. Managua. 2. San José. O 3. Santo Domingo. Do you know what the capital city of Costa Rica is? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Costa Rica? Managua, San José, o perhaps, quizás, Santo Domingo? The answer is San José. San José is known as a city of coffee. The city is renowned for its coffee. San José sits in the heart of the country's coffee-growing region. The surroundings have a rich coffee culture, and it's not unusual to find locals discussing the nuisances of coffee as others might discuss fine wine. What's the capital city of Cuba? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Cuba? 1. Bariloche. 2. Guadalajara. O 3. Havana. This city has a few popular songs singing about its beauty. Give it a guess. Is it Guadalajara, Havana, perhaps Bariloche? What's the capital city of Cuba? 1, 2 o 3. The answer is Havana. That's right. Did you know that Havana is also known because it has a large number of vintage vehicles? Around 60,000 cars across Cuba. This, without a doubt, adds a unique charm to the city's street. It almost makes you feel like you've stepped back in time. What's the capital city of Honduras? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Honduras? 1. Tegucigalpa. 2. Valencia. O 3. Colima. 1, 2 o 3. The capital city of Honduras is Tegucigalpa. The name Tegucigalpa might be a bit of a tongue twister for some, even for other native speakers of Spanish from other countries. This unique name is derived from Nahuatl words, which means silver house or place of silver, due to its historical significance in silver mining during the Spanish colonial period. What's the capital city of Guatemala? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Guatemala? 1. Mendoza. 2. Veracruz. 3. Ciudad de Guatemala. 1, 2 o 3. The capital city of Guatemala is número 3, Ciudad de Guatemala. Did you know that underneath Guatemala City there is a hidden ancient city? Not many people know this. This site dates back to around 1200 before Common Era. What's the capital city of Colombia? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Colombia? 1. Bogotá. 2. Arica. O 3. Salamanca. ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Colombia? 1. Bogotá. 2. Arica. 3. Salamanca. Do you know the answer? ¿Sabes la respuesta? La respuesta es, the answer is Bogotá. Bogotá is the capital city of Colombia. Bogotá is one of the highest capital cities in the world. It is situated at 2,640 meters, which is 8,660 feet above sea level. Did you know that such a high altitude, it affects cooking times, athletic performance, and even the taste of some drinks, such as alcohol? What's the capital city of Spain? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de España? 1. Barcelona. 2. Acapulco. 3. Madrid. Barcelona, Acapulco o Madrid? Which one? ¿Cuál? The answer is Madrid. Madrid is the capital city of España. Did you know the oldest restaurant in the world is actually in Madrid, Spain? According to the Guinness Book of Records, Restaurant Botín is the oldest restaurant in the world and is located in Madrid. It was first established in 1725 and is well known for its authentic Spanish food. I feel like some tapas. What's the capital city of Nicaragua? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Nicaragua? 1. Tijuana. 2. Colonia. O 3. Managua. So what do you think the answer is? 1. Tijuana. 2. Colonia. O 3. Managua. The answer is 3. Managua. Managua is also known as the city of no addresses. In this city, most streets are nameless. When directing others in the capital, people typically use Lake Managua as a reference point. What's the capital city of Paraguay? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Paraguay? 1. Sevilla. 2. Asunción. O 3. San Pablo. What do you think? Sevilla, Asunción, o San Pablo? The answer is Asunción. Asunción earned the title Mother of Cities. Asunción earned the title Mother of Cities because many other cities like Buenos Aires and Montevideo were founded and established by people coming from Asunción. What's the capital city of Mexico? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de México? 1. Puebla. 2. Cancún. 3. Ciudad de México. What do you think? 1, 2 o 3? The capital city of Mexico is Ciudad de México, Mexico City. Did you know that Mexico City was built on a lake? That's right, it was originally built by the Aztecs on an island in the middle of a lake. Mexico City is also one of the largest cities in the world. What's the capital city of Dominican Republic? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de República Dominicana? 1. Santo Viernes. 2. San Juan. O 3. Santo Domingo. 1, 2 o 3. The answer is número 3, Santo Domingo. Santo Domingo is the first European city in the New World. The oldest fort in the Americas is also in Santo Domingo, just as the oldest paved street in the New World. Next one, siguiente. What's the capital city of Ecuador? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Ecuador? 1. Medellín. 2. Quito. 3. Ciudad de Ecuador. Medellín, Quito, or Ciudad de Ecuador? Which one do you think is the capital city? The answer is Quito. Quito is the second highest capital city in the world, right after La Paz, Bolivia. Quito also has the longest cable car service in South America and is home to the oldest astronomical observatory in South America. What's the capital city of Uruguay? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Uruguay? 1. Montevideo. 2. San Fernando. 3. Punta de Este. I'll give you a clue. 2 of these answers are incorrect. The answer is Montevideo. Did you know that Montevideo is home to the largest carnival in the world? It lasts over 40 days. Montevideo also boasts the longest continuous sidewalk in the world, known as La Rambla, stretching over 22 kilometers along the coastline. What's the capital city of Venezuela? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Venezuela? 1. Montevideo. 2. Madrid. Or perhaps número 3, Caracas. Which one do you think? ¿Cuál crees tú? ¿Montevideo, Madrid o Caracas? The answer is Caracas. Did you know that Caracas has a cable car, el teleférico de Caracas, the city's magnificent cable car system, which offers amazing views as it climbs to El Ávila National Park. This is the Caracas aerial tramway. What's the capital city of Puerto Rico? ¿Cuál es la ciudad capital de Puerto Rico? 1. San Juan. 2. Río de Janeiro. O 3. Ponce. San Juan, Río de Janeiro o Ponce. And the answer is San Juan. Did you know that San Juan is the second oldest European founded city in the Americas? And it is also the birthplace of the famous well-known drink Piña Colada. San Juan is also known for its lively music scene. If you got between 17 and 21 correct answers,
Winner!
You are a campeón! Congratulations! You have exceptional knowledge. If you had between 13 and 16 correct answers, you are an expert. Well done! It demonstrates a high level of knowledge. Now, if you got between 9 and 12 correct answers, you are a pro. Your answers certainly show good understanding. And if you got between 5 and 8 correct answers, no bad, no está mal. It's a respectable score. It does show a fair amount of knowledge. And finally, if you got 0 to 4 correct answers, try again. Intenta de nuevo. Don't get discouraged, but keep working on it. Perhaps you'll do better next time. Keep up the good work. Don't forget to check my other quizzes. And subscribe. I upload videos every week. Take care, amigos. Cuídate. Chao, chao.